Okay, this is New York Times Hard Sudoku puzzle for January 16. So, one we see is in 3 cells over here. And we also know 1 is flat and flat. Okay, 2 is flat. I will mark 2's in 3 cells over here. So we know the 3's in the middle. Over here, 3's are in 3 cells. This is 4. And 4's are also like this, right? Sort of in 3 cells over here. I do know, though I forgot to mention, 3's can only be in these 4 cells and in these 4, so they occupy these rows, so 3's actually have to be flat over here. Okay, now 5. So 5 is in 2 cells right like this. 5 is in 3 cells in this box. But over here 5 is flat. So this is 5, and 5's are like this. 3 cells over here. Now 3 is flat, so 3 actually is in 3 cells. And 3 cells, right? 6. So 6 can only be here, and this is 6 also, right? So just checking, 6's over here are flat. So only this cell can, so the 3's are flat now. This cannot be 3. 6's are vertical and in 2 cells. 7 is vertical, okay. Okay, we don't quite know. We know this is 8. So 1 is vertical, so 1's can only be like this, okay. 8's are also flat over here. And 8, 3 cells like this. Okay. Now actually do see 9 is flat since I'm already looking at it. So 9's are just like 3's over here, so there's no room for 2. So this is actually 1, 2, 1, 2 matching pair, so there's no room for 4 or 8. 4, 8, 4, 8 matching pair, so 8 actually has to be here also. And 2 is flat like this, okay. 8 I will mark flat like this over here. I'm not sure if that's all we know. 9 we do know is vertical like this. And I think that's about it. I'm just curious about cells over here. So this cannot be 1. Can be 2, cannot be 3, 4, 5, 6. Can be 7 or 9. Yeah, I think that's the case. Okay. This cell right here. So it cannot be. Can be 2, right? Cannot be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. Yeah, this is 2 or 7, right? Yeah, let me just enter. So these are 2's also. Can be like this over here, okay. Okay, this cell can be 2, cannot be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, yeah, this is a -2. So then this is 7. Okay. So this cell can be 2 and this cell can be 2 as well. Fine. Now in this column we need 1, 5, and 8. 1, 5, and 8. And this cell right here well, it cannot be 1 or 5. This has to be 8. Okay. So 4, 8. Okay, 4s are like this. Okay. So over here we have 3 and 7, which is unfortunately kind of blocked. So in this cell, so it cannot be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, or 9. Yeah, this is a naked 5. Okay. So what else do we need in this row? So again, we need 1, can be here. This cannot be 1. We already talked about it. This can be 1, right? Then we need 4. This cannot be 4. Can be 4, and it can be 4, and 4s are actually vertical over here. And then we need 7. So 7, and can this, yeah, 7. But now what I see in this column is that we have 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 7, triple. So this cell cannot be 3. This has to be 3. Because 3s are flat and flat, so 3 can only be in this cell. Okay. So we have 2, 9, 2, 9, fine. In this cell, so it cannot be 1 because of the triple. Cannot be 2, 3, 4. Can be 5. Cannot be 6. Cannot be 7 because of the triple. Cannot be 8 or 9. Yeah, this can only be 5. This is 1. This is 5. This cannot be 5. Cannot be 1. This is 7. Okay, this is 4. And this is 1. So this is 2, 1. This cell cannot be 2. But it can be 9, right? Just to complete the 3, 9, 3, 9. Okay, so 1. So these are actually not 7s. This is 7, this is 3, this is 1. So just looking at 7, I mean, I guess 7 is just flat, 5, 9, and 7. Okay, and in this row, the other digit we need is 3, right? This cannot be 3 or 4, this is 2. So this is 9, this is 2. Cannot be 2, so we need 8 or 9. Obviously this cannot be 9, this is 8. This is 9, this is 8, this is 1. This is 1. And this is 1. Okay. Now let's get rid of all the digits here. It's too many. 2, 4. Okay. And 4. We need 7, 4 over here, right? Okay, and then what's next? So this is obviously not 9. 7s for now can be flat. I'll mark like this. Okay, and so what do we need in this box? Well, 2 has to be here, so this is 2. And then 3 can only be here. And the last digit is 7. Okay. So this has to be 3. This is 4. Okay, and 5, 9, 5, 9. Okay. And then this is the last digit here is 9. Okay. So this cannot be 9. So 9 actually in this column can only be here. This is 3. This is 3. This is 6. Has to be 6, right? This has to be 6, and this has to be 9, right? 9. So this is 9, this is 9, this is 5, and then we're looking at 6, 7, 7, and 5, okay.